Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi and today I am excited to present the video demonstration for my project SwiftShip Tracker CRM, fully detailed in my file which is mentioned here. The core business goal of the system is to provide a highly scalable automated CRM solution for parcel delivery enterprises. It manages the complete end-to-end logistics lifecycle, spanning seamlessly from parcel booking and transit dispatch to real-time status notifications and final delivery confirmations. This entire application was engineered within a Salesforce developer org, leveraging custom backend configurations, programmatic Apex triggers, automated workflows, and cutting-edge conversational AI tracking via Salesforce Agentforce. Now, stepping onto the platform, we locate our custom application layout by opening the SwiftShip Tracker app via the app launcher. The database framework is built using 4 core custom objects, which are listed here in the Schema builder: parcel, delivery, sender, and receiver. Here you can see that the parcel object is connected to the receiver and the sender objects. And here we have the delivery, which tracks the location of the item and the details which are mentioned. Now, it also has the standard CRM objects like accounts, contacts, and tasks. Let's transition into our live record creation to observe our data input safety and dynamic layouts. So here, if I click and create a new parcel, let's give it a name, and the status is out for delivery. Wait, suppose I write a negative value. The records utilize dynamic forms to keep layouts context aware. If an operator inputs a faulty value such as -10, which I have written here, the platform will instantly fire our custom weight validation rule. Let me show it to you. So these are the final details that I have added. Now, if I click on save, it will show a message that the parcel's weight must be greater than 0. This completely blocks the faulty database insert at the backend level, ensuring perfect data integrity. Okay, now let's pass a valid heavy input value of, say, 50 units. Okay, 45 units. Now, our custom Apex trigger runs instantly. As you see here, and it will show a message appending a priority heavyweight handling required flag to the description field because the weight was heavy, so it is showing this message. Now, as we inspect our logistics workflow automation canvas, I configured a record triggered flow that responds immediately to state changes. It automatically fires a custom email alert for booking confirmations and status update, as you can see here. So it will show that your SwiftShip parcel status has been updated to this. This email message will be sent and the subject will be SwiftShip tracking status update. Now, let me talk about this is the auto-generate parcel task flow, which programmatically creates a task for the agent queue whenever a delivery status shifts. Here, we have created a record label that is create delivery task. Now, for periodic updates, I have integrated a scheduled flow and batch epics to handle automated notifications. I also created an auto-launched flow which gets the parcel records, and also the parcel details can be updated here. And we have an assignment output label which provides the output in the form of the prompt response when asked, which I will show you further. Additionally, for heavy cargoes exceeding 50 kgs, the record runs through our multi-stage supervisor approval process, routing it directly to the management review queue before dispatch. I have created a heavy parcel approval, and the entry criteria weight is greater than 50. This is the approval process. Next, let's step into analytics. Opening our SwiftShip Executive Overview dashboard, we can refresh the data to pull directly from our underlying public parcel trend reports. This generates a live global analytics donut chart, providing the stakeholders with a snapshot of parcel trends and delivery performance grouped by status. Now, to protect shipping data, I designed a multi-layered security framework under Profiles. So if we go to Profiles, I created a delivery agent profile. Here. So this delivery agent profile restricts users to read and edit permissions, while the admin profile holds the full object access. I have isolated the baseline access for both. So now, to extend privileges dynamically, I also built the SwiftShip permission set. Let me show it to you here. So if we go to the SwiftShip permission set, yes, I have created it using an Einstein agent license layer. We have also enforced strict field level security sensitive attributes like email and location, which are hidden from unauthorized profiles. This works with our role hierarchy and field history tracking to ensure a flawless audit trail. Now, our organization-wide defaults are locked to private, ensuring records are invisible by default unless explicitly shared. The highlight is our conversational layer using Salesforce Agentforce and Einstein Prompt Builder. When a client inputs an ID, an auto-launched flow, which I showed you, executes in system context, passing input parameters to our retrieve parcel details prompt template to return a friendly tracking card. To verify backend performance, I followed a rigorous testing approach, validating all flows via debug logs, monitoring executions with Salesforce debug logs, and running unit tests using our ParcelHandler test class, which are mentioned in my documentation. Now, to conclude, SwiftShip Tracker CRM successfully balances secure database engineering, automated workflows, and agentic AI capabilities. Our complete technical blueprints are available in my documentation, which is present in this repository. Thank you.